Introducing the Vivo V21e powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 700 processor in dark pearl. A Sunset Jazz model is also available. This device has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory, expandable up to 1 TB. A 256 GB internal memory variant is also available. It allows for dual SIM functionality with 2 nano slots and 5G support. The Vivo V21e sports a 6.44-inch AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. It features a 64 plus 8 megapixels rear camera and a 32 megapixels front camera. The device uses the Funtouch 11.1 operating system that is based on Android 11. It is powered by a 4000 mAh battery with Type-C 44 watt flash charging. The handset measures 16.1 by 7.4 by 0.8 centimeters and weighs 165 grams. The box includes a handset, charger, earphones, Type-C USB cable, SIM eject tool, case, warranty card and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.